Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's out and about, and I'm here to do another unboxing from
electrical.com.
I bought more stuff from thecubicle.com. Can't help but feel the rush. It's like a bomb. FedEx on the way. My heart starts to race. Addicted to the cube. Can't help but embrace.
Alright, I got this on pre-order. First, got another card. That one was a little wrinkled. Of course, I got my Toys for Tot cubes that I got for the annual cube drive. They're from the Gonzo Book. I actually have 5 of them. And like I said, I always buy little by little to get it over 60. Didn't have to do that on this particular one, but got 5. Now they're out of stock. So I just purchased another 20, 15 or 20. I think it was 15. I'm not sure. I only did that just to make sure I got the 15 in, and then that tells me that I can order some more. So because I can't order it now with packages because they won't ship my package until these come in then. So I got to order them separately. Gang 17 MagDrive 3C 3x3. Boom. Of course they shipped it in a bag and my box is all kind of beat up. Thanks, Cubicle. Ship it in the box next time, man. Come on. I don't feel like having a box. Now this ain't too bad, but you can tell it's a little dented. But the box ain't too bad. Now I did try one of these at Mid-Atlantic Championship. They had a prototype there. And you could tell it was a prototype because they had little numbers underneath the logo here. And I wasn't that impressed with it. Not that it was bad. It was actually pretty decent. But it reminded me of my Moyo. It reminded me of this one that I just got. It feels the same. I forget exactly what this is called, but I'm going to put it right here so you guys can see. And it reminds me exactly of this one. It's not bad, I just wasn't feeling it. This one felt like that one. So my first impressions were, whatever. Now remember, this is an unboxing review, so it's always my first impression. If I feel I don't like it, you're gonna see me making faces. I don't know. You can tell I don't like it right away. But that doesn't mean in a week or two, a month, there has been plenty of cubes that I went back to and said, hey, this is actually pretty good. I like this one. It's just my unboxing review. But let's check it out. Now the box itself, I like. Look at those corners all dented in. I like saving, boxes and cardboard and all that stuff. But when it comes to this, you might want to wrap this up a little bit better with bubble tape cubicle, so my box, which I pay for, is not damaged. Okay, let's keep that in mind. I don't want my box damaged because I keep these boxes. Nice card. Nice card. And you got this big accessory box. Gang, 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 gang. Alright, gang, I know you purchased 1 million of these and you got to get rid of them. But let's start changing those colors up. A purple one would have been awesome. Or a green one. This blue, I don't know. I mean, it's a nice bag. It is. Alright, let's see what's in here. Let's see. Alright. This is to open up the caps. So, and then they have the fire hydrant, and that changes the tension and the other thing that it has. And it fits in there nicely. It's kind of big. Do you really need this? I'm not 100% sure. I'll test it out. Please follow the instructions when dealing with the magnetic rods. Avoid violent disassembly. So don't be too rough with it. That's the case it comes in with me. Oh yeah, it also comes with pamphlet. All right, here we go. Let's see if it snaps up.
Yay!
Let's look at that. Nice. Nice. They got these magnets with the strength on them. I forget which one is the stronger, which one is the weaker, but you replace the ones in there and either make it stronger or weaker. That's how you change the magnet strength. All right, white internals, all white, so nothing too special. All right, let's check this out. Ooh, I like it. It feels different than that prototype. Not sure, you know. I'm liking it. Yeah. Ooh, look how easy it turns. Ooh, you see that magnet? You see that? It's either going either way. There's no stop. I might get it in the middle, but if you shake it a little bit, it's going somewhere. It's either going that way or this way. Oh yeah, they're strong. These are strong magnets. Oh yeah. I don't know what they gave me at the cubicle. That prototype wasn't the same. I mean, that's just my opinion. Well, I wasn't just feeling it. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Yeah. It definitely feels different than a 16. And it definitely feels a little bit different than the V100. Those are the only two I got. I don't have a 15 or 14 or that 12 that everybody loves. I don't have that one. And I love my Gang 16 and I love my my V100. But I think I'm gonna like this more. Now, I'm not a speed cuber, so take my opinion with a grain of salt. I like what I like, okay? I'm liking this one. Yeah, and it's right out of the box. I like it. Does it make noise? No, look. Look how quiet that is. Whoa. I'm feeling this one now. I wasn't, like I said, I wasn't feeling it down at Dover. They must have did something from the prototype to this one. Let's see if I can get the cap off. Yeah. You can get the cap off with your fingernails. You don't need that big ass thing they're trying to give you. Where is it at? I put it back. There was one, I think it was the 16, where they had really long legs, and you had to use that thing. You had to use this monstrosity right here that they gave you to get it open. You can leave this monstrosity at home. You don't need to take it. You might want to take this though, unless you want to change your settings. Might make it a little bit easier to adjust your settings, which I'm going to show you right now. Alright, it's white letterings or black, so you can see it. Well, let's see if they have a picture of it, if I can at least show you. They do. Nice. That is in English and in Chinese, which is good. And can you see that? So you can pause and look at it. Yeah, it's from 1 to 6, 1 to 6. And I think all the numbers are the same. It just goes 1 to 6, 1 to 6, 1 to 6. GES, Center Travel numerical distance nut. 1 through 6. 6 center travel options. The smaller the number, the tighter the cube feels. The smaller the number, the tighter the cube feels. The other one, the outer rim, is the magnetic GES. Tension, nut, and precision center piece. 1 through 12. 12 tension options. The bigger the number, the tighter the cube feels. And then you use the fire hydrant to adjust. Oh, and these little nibs right here, you put the magnet in there, and then that's how you can hold the magnet without, fumbling with it. And then, should I get a magnet out and show you guys? Because I don't think anybody shows you that. They kind of just discard these things. But the picture in there has it like, oh, there you go. And then you can put it in, and then you have to twist it so it locks in. So, and that's probably how you take it out too. You can push this in, turn it, and lift it out. I'm not exactly sure how to do it, but And then you put it back, put the other ones back in. Well, I don't like to take my cubes apart, but alright, so that's the edge. Maybe use this thing. There you go. That's how you take it out. So white is the default. Let me show you that again. Put it in there, turn it, it comes out. And then you can change it with any of these. This is middle strength, the default strength, and then you can change it higher or lower. I forget which one is the highest, but you gotta read the directions. And then to put it back in, it's like a keyhole kind of. Alright, there you go. If you ever feel something loose in there, it might be because one of these came out. So you take it apart and make sure all these are nice and tight. And then you just stick it back in. And like I said, you can take that center cap off with your fingernail. Pretty simple. Let's see, take the green out. Yeah, you don't need that monstrosity thingy. Yeah. If you want to use it, you can. Let's see. Let's do another different. Yeah. If you want to use it, you can, but do you really need to? No. And do you really want to carry this thing? No. And then that goes back in there. Unless you just want to carry this to adjust it if you have, when you've got a comp or something. And then you put your magnets back in the bottom. I like this case too. And it kind of opens up by itself. That's what I like. Just remember, I am not an expert. I just know what I like, and I like this cube. Nice. Yeah, 5 out of 5, man. I like it. I have no complaints whatsoever. Alright, so overall, nice. Is it worth $85 or whatever it might be worth? Let me give you the right. Alright, $84.99. I was correct. $84.99 for this. So, I'm happy with it. I like it, and I'm probably going to love it. Yeah. I think this is good to, I don't know if it'll replace my FurriCore V2 or my Swift Block, the one that was altered by the Pro Shop. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to practice with it. Keep it here, and just, I'm learning how to do FTO, so I'm concentrating on the FTO. Alright, this might be too fast for me, because I was turning it and I already accidentally turned it. I was just going like this, I accidentally turned it this way. So it might be too fast for me to use at a competition, but I think it'd be fun to turn it here at home when I'm practicing. You never know, I might get used to it. I can see what they mean by the MagDrive, meaning it's strong, but it doesn't feel strong. Does that make sense? like when I'm turning it, I really don't feel it. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. I like it a lot. I don't think the cube is for everyone, so just keep that in mind. So if you go to a competition and you see somebody who has it, ask to turn it, and if they let you. And or if you're by the cubicle station at an event, ask, 'cause they're definitely going to have it. And they're probably not going to have the prototype anymore. They're going to have a regular one. And turn it. If you like it, then you can get one. Don't get one based on this review, because this is my opinion. I'm different than you are. You're different than he is. And he is different than she is. And everybody likes each cube differently. So this is my opinion. That's it. But I like the cube. I like it a lot. I'm definitely going to have it on my desk to play with. Alright, that is all I have for the Gang 17 Gang Cube. Very nice box. That is all I have. If you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
17 MagDrive, let's go. You be shy, I'm ready to roll. August 14 to 21. I'm watching that track until my cue comes home. Gun 17, locked in tight. Smooth on the turn and the speed feels right. 72 settings headed my way. I hit that pre-order, now I got away. Competition ready, I'm chasing that time. Inspection starts and the cube is mine. Hands on the time at 12 seconds to see. Deep breath, ready, 3, 2, 1 speed. All you are prime layers on the flow. F2, L pairs, and where we go. Oh, here, PLL next. Stop that timer. What did I get?